In this video we are going to see how to create this sketch.js for your website. As you can see, with the sketch.js you can able to draw this line on your website, and you can have the particle.js. You can see, let me show you how to use this. So I'll leave the link in the description. Now click on GitHub. You have to download the zip. Now here you will get, let me delete the old one. Let me get that zip file on the desktop. Let me extract it. We got a file. So inside that we have to fetch the JS file. It will be in the folder called JS. Just copy this and paste it into your desired HTML folder. So I have created a folder here, and I have pasted that sketch.min.js. Now with the help of sketch.js, let me open that HTML first. I have just linked the sketch.min.js, and I have created a div with class container. Let's first focus on the drawing lines. Now, so to see the example on the zip which we got from the GitHub, let's just open this. You will see the folder called example. Here you have drawing and particle. Let me open the drawing. So you can see you are able to draw it. So to get that, what you have to do is, we just need the style sheet script tag for it. Let me open that drawing.html. We just need to copy the JS and paste it into the file called drawing.js, and we have to link that drawing.js to our index.html. So you can see I have linked it, and that's it. You are now able to draw it on the canvas or on your browser screen. In case if you want to change, you can change the color over here. Let me make this red. Now it's red. The same way, let's open from the example folder. Let's open particle.js. The same way, copy the script files and create a script file and call it as particle.js. Just paste it and just link the file to the index.html. Now you just refresh this page. Previously it was drawing.js. Now it's particle.js. The same way you can modify the color of the particle.js. Let me add two colors, red and black. Now you can see red and black. Likewise, you can add any color you want. So the reason where we can use this, in place of preloader, when the website loads, you can add this kind of effects just to give an interactive way for your user who visits your website. So I think you can modify it whichever you like. So far the easy modification is just the color, so which I have made it. I leave the source code in the description, just follow along and use this in your website.